Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have an unboxing video with you guys. I feel like I haven't done like a nice proper unboxing video for you all, and also like a review video of these particular shoes. If you guys know by the title, or if you guys have seen already the thumbnail, I will be unboxing a new pair of shoes for Maison Margiela, in fact the Replica trainers. A little bit of the brand. You guys know this brand is basically on the top list of the lists basically in terms of the designers or luxury fashion houses, because obviously they had the recent haute couture like artisan fashion show in Paris, which the whole world was talking about it, obviously because of the clothes or of the way it's been, like the show has been done, and also the main topic is the makeup, the glass skin look-alike makeup, which was actually insane. So obviously I was watching the show, I was like really mesmerized by the type of kind of artistic kind of outcome basically. I was wanted to say something else but couldn't really find the word for it. But anyways, today I have an unboxing of this particular shoes, the Replica shoes. If you guys have been watching my videos, if you guys follow me on my socials, you guys know I already own a pair of these Replica shoes, and I feel like I've done also kind of like a review about them as well, but this could be like a proper in-depth review about these particular shoes. Without any more further rambling, let's just get into this box. I just unboxed this box for TikTok, so this is not my first impression seeing this particular color, because I don't want to fake it. If you guys want to see my first impression, then head on over on my TikTok. I'm going to leave a link down below. In there you will see my first impression about these shoes, because they are just so phenomenal. So you guys get this box, basically it says, can't really see it because of the light, it says Maison Margiela in here, and obviously got all the numbers, and the number 22 is circled because if you guys know, each number out of the 23 numbers means something for a category. So the 22 means category of shoes. So yes, this is what it is. It's a beautiful white box. Inside you get the dust bags with all the Replica shoes, and the dust bags are so interesting and they're so like creative. They are basically like this. So they have like a string in here, like a drawstring. Oops, it's very dusty. You guys can see the dust all over from here. They're quite dusty, not like dust, like dirt dust. I mean, like, you know what I mean. So yeah, this is a nice kind of cotton. I think it's the fibers from the cotton. They look like this, so they're really spacious. Like you guys can see, you can proper fit your two pair of shoes in one, or you can keep some other bits and bobs. They're really actually good for traveling, like if you want to keep your underwear or socks in this. So they're really quite handy actually. I already have them, so you get two of those inside the box, which I like. And of course here are the shoes. Pause this video and comment down below and think basically what kind of color I got, because I love this color. Ta-da! This is what I got, number one, and let's just get the other one out as well. And here, they're so nicely wrapped, honestly, like, oh, so good. Ladies and gentlemen, here I present you guys my latest obsession, my latest shoe obsession, brand obsession. These are the navy Replica shoes that I got. Wow, look at this color. Look at this color. They look so good. They look even better in real life. This color I actually never seen in stores, because this color is so hard to find. In fact, these shoes are really hard to find nowadays because they are selling out like crazy. And I feel like obviously nowadays they don't produce them in higher quantities. Like they are more limited pieces available. I don't really know, but these are the ones. I love them. When I saw them on my size online, I grabbed them immediately. I'm gonna get into the online store in a bit, but yeah, this is how they look. So let me just take out the kind of filling from the shoes, and let's just get quite close to the camera and talk about some details about the shoes. So I'm just gonna highlight some key design features about these shoes. So obviously the name is called Replica shoes. So the replica in here, it says is style description is a men's sports shoes. Originally it's lamb skin and calf split. Provenance is in Austria and period is the 70s. So basically it's like a 70s inspired shoe. They are from the Replica collection. So basically the Replica collection means it's a replication of basically these kind of men's shoes from the 70s. Hence why you have the replica collection of some clothes pieces as well, and obviously you have the replica collection of the fragrances. So if you guys can kind of familiarize with the fragrances, it's all like inspiration of locations and periods, and this is the same with these shoes. So the kind of the location from the 70s and the period and stuff like that basically. So it's like a men's sport shoes from the 70s. So this is the inspiration of the shoe design. Speaking of the shoe design, it's got the iconic hidden Margiela stitching. If you guys know, you know. It's got the stitching in here like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically the crosses are in here of the shoe, which are all covered in suede. Of course, you have to be careful with the weather here in London. It's always rainy, so bear that in mind. And the other half of the shoes around is all lamb leather, basically. So it's really, really high quality. Inside is nice and padded from the back. You guys can see it's lovely, lovely cushion. So it's extremely, extremely comfortable. It's got a white sole. If I can remove the laces in here, it's got a white sole, and of course got the replica logo stitched in here. And inside, I don't know, it's really hard to see, I don't want to bend the leather. Inside in here, can you guys see, it's got elastic bands on this side and on the other side, which is combined and stitched with this front leather part in here. So it's easily to kind of, I don't know, kind of pull it easily so you don't crease the shoe. So you just have to pull it from here and easily your feet will slide in perfectly inside. In terms of the logos, another logo is in here. So you got like a patch of logo. It's got the numbers inside in here. I don't know if you guys see it properly. It's again suede, and of course the 22 is circled. Shoelaces are this kind of off-white creamy color, which is really, really lovely. So again, really high quality shoelaces that you get. So the shoelaces matches the interior side of the leather from here. So they're not like white, stark white. So it's kind of looks weird if it's all white. So that's more like an off-white creamy color. Of course, the sole is kind of this rubber, classic color rubber sole. First thing you think, obviously it's like a sport shoes. Most sport shoes have kind of rubber sole in the 70s. So again, it's the inspiration of these shoes. And of course, this kind of soles are not for everyone. I feel like not everybody really likes this kind of soles, but I love it. I don't mind it. I feel like it goes perfectly together with kind of shoe design. So it kind of goes, it really, really goes together. The pattern of the sole, again, really, really beautifully done. It's got this kind of, I don't know, really interesting shape of sole at the bottom. So none of the dirt will really get stuck inside, you know what I mean? Of course, it's got the Maison Margiela logo in here, and again, 22 is circled, and it's got another beautiful feature of the sole in here, and again it's got the 22 logo in here, which is circled, and it's got some other circles as well. So overall the pattern of the sole is work of art. It's really, really work of art. Is there anything else I've missed around the shoes? Of course, everything is beautifully, beautifully stitched. You guys can see everything of the leather, of the suede, like in here on the leather is beautifully stitched, and it's got a stitching here as well, which is iconic for the Margiela Replica shoes. Obviously the suede here is at the back as well. The back of the sole, it looks like this, just plain, kind of grainy, so it doesn't get any dirt or something like that. And yeah, these are the key design features of the shoes. Obviously I'm going to do the laces later, and you guys will see me on my Instagram and on my TikTok trying them out and so on outfit ideas. But what I like about these navy ones, from far behind it looks really black. If you come close, they are obviously navy, so it's like an optical illusion. I have my eye on the all black pair as well. Obviously the sole is black, and all this is also black, the whole shoe, but that particular design is sold out everywhere. Honestly, I've been trying high and low, but it was out of stock and literally sold out everywhere. But I'm keeping my eyes peeled on that as well because it's in my wish list. And another color on my wish list is the brown one. Oh my goodness, the brown one is so beautiful as well. Literally goes with everything, and obviously this is also like a classic color that goes with literally every single piece in your wardrobe. And yeah, these are my new replica shoes. I'm so happy with them. My size, I'm a size 8, which is equal to a Italian 42. So this is my size. I'm sure the sizes are also inside in here. Does it say? Yes, 42 says in here inside very discreetly. And these shoes are made in Italy. So guys, they're made in Italy and they're the highest quality of leather and the highest quality of materials, and this is 100% beautifully done. And trust me, I already own a pair of replicas and I can say they are so high quality, like definitely worth the price. They're not super expensive compared to other designer brands, but they're definitely up in the kind of expensive price bracket, but it's worth it compared to the other designer brands. This is really good. There's another brand, I'm gonna say it here, I really don't care, Golden Goose. I had my eye on the Golden Goose shoes as well for a very long time, and I also think they're really cool and very like stylish as well. Stylish, this is even a keyword that we use right now. They're really trendy as well, and I had my eye on the Golden Goose as well. But the one thing with Golden Goose are obviously they look worn. This is the whole idea and style of them, and I was like, you know what, for that price point I really don't want to buy shoes which look worn. Like the sole is all dirty, all dusty, all marked up, all scuffy, and I don't like it. Even though sometimes I feel like that look is cool, but at the same time, I feel like if I'm spending that amount of money, I don't want to buy a pair of shoes which are already scuffy and worn. No thanks. I'd rather save that money and invest it on Maison Margiela on these because they look in pristine condition. Because I'm gonna show you guys my white ones. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my white replica trainers. I'm gonna quickly touch base on these. I've worn them to death. I can see the suede is a little bit kind of rubbed from here because obviously it's suede. I'm not careful with my shoes at all. A little bit creasing in here because obviously the shoes crease from here as well. Apart from that, the sole is a bit dirty. I don't want to touch the sole, but looking at the sole, honestly, nothing crazy, like no marks at all. Can you guys see? There's literally no marks on anything, and this is the front of the shoes, and literally they look brand new, brand new. And I've been taking them to Paris with me, to Italy, not to Paris, no, I didn't have them in Paris, I took them to Italy with me. I took them to Venice, and obviously these shoes have been really stood, what's the word, stood the test, no, stood the time for the test, something like that. I don't really know, but the inside looks also really good, and honestly, they look like brand new. And I can finally say that these are my second pair of replica shoes. These are side by side, you guys can see. This is the navy and this is the white, and yeah, love it. I love my collection, and I really want to get the black ones and also the brown ones because I want to build my replica Maison Margiela replica shoe collection. Yay! Alright, so the website that I got them from is from Sataya. Sataya is an online luxury designer website. I think they're based in Italy, if I'm not wrong, because these shoes actually came from Italy. I don't really know, but these are the website is really good. I have my eye on so many other things from the website. They have beautiful stuff that are literally sold out everywhere. I feel like it's like a Farfetch or something. Yeah, I really recommend the website. I'm gonna leave a link down below on the website. You guys can go and check them out because they have amazing stuff, all designer brands you want. And these are also really good discounted prices as well on some designer items. So definitely go and check it out, the website, because as I said, I have my eye on so many other things from the website, and the shipping was really fast, really efficient. and I really like the service in general from Satire, so definitely go out and check out the website, because I'm sure you will fall in love with some other bits and pieces from there. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this video in here because I feel like I've talked a lot in this video. I hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful about these replica shoes. If you guys have any more questions regarding these shoes, then do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my socials, Insta, TikTok, everything will be linked down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.